Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Confirm your tracker model and that the SIM card has an active data plan and SMS enabled. Once done, fully charge the unit and insert the SIM, making sure the PIN is disabled. Next, decide mounting, OBD for quick power or a hidden dash location for permanence, and gather basic tools. While you're doing this, power the tracker briefly to watch LED signals. This confirms network registration and GPS lock before moving to installation. Now install and configure the tracker. Mount it in your chosen spot, secure with cable ties or plug into the OBD port, and hide antennae for better reception. Then pair with the manufacturer app or send the initial SMS setup commands because the app simplifies settings like update interval, motion sensitivity, and geofences. Make sure to set speed and low battery alerts. Once paired, watch the live location in the app and drive a short test route to confirm accuracy and update frequency. Finish by running a 10 to 15-minute drive test and compare the app's track to your actual route. This validates GPS accuracy and update cadence. If traces jump or drop, adjust polling frequency, check antenna orientation, or reposition the unit away from metal. Make sure the SIM still has data and that network registration LEDs show steady connection. If problems persist, use diagnostic SMS commands or the device log in the app to identify power, network, or GNSS satellite issues. Then correct the specific fault you find.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.